Hello students, the question is find locus of midpoint of chord of the parabola y square is equal to 4x which subtends angle of 90 degree at the vertex. तो द क्वेश्चन में कह रहा है कि एक पैराबोला है जिसका इक्वेशन वाई स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 4x है। तो उसका जो एक कॉर्ड है तो कॉर्ड के मिड पॉइंट का लोकस जो है वो वर्टेक्स पे 90 डिग्री एंगल सब्सटेंड करना है। ठीक है, तो सपोज द पैराबोला इज लाइक दिस। दैट इज वाई स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 4x. Okay, and locus of midpoint of chord, suppose the chord is this and we are assuming the point at here, that is 8t1 square comma 8t2, 8t1 square comma 2t1, and here the coordinate will be 8t2 square comma 2t2. It is the point in parametric form. ओके तो अब हम क्या करते हैं कि सपोज द मिड पॉइंट ऑफ दिस chord इज हेयर एंड वी आर एज्यूमिंग द कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ दिस पॉइंट एज h comma k. Then by using the midpoint formula, by using the midpoint formula, we can get h is equal to 8t1 square plus 8t2 square by 2. So then 2h will be a comma t1 square plus t2 square. Then 2h by a will be t1 square plus t2 square. Okay, now k will be what? 2at1 plus 2at2 by 2. Then 2k will be 2at1 plus t2. 2 cancel. K will be what? K is equal to a into t1 plus t2. Basically for finding the locus we have to eliminate the third parameter which is here t, which is t is parameter. Now the second thing we are knowing that locus of parabola which subtends angle of 90 degree at the vertex means what? The line this and this. Okay, and it is given that the this chord is making an angle of 90 degree at the focus. So the product of slope of this line and this line will be what? -1. So we can use that concept also. This is origin and let's assume this point as P and this point as Q. Then slope of OP into slope of OQ will be what? -1. Slope of OP will be what? 2at1 by at1 square into 2at2 by at2 square is equal to -1. Now a cancel and t1 by t2 by, then 2 by t1 into 2 by t2 is equal to what? -1. That is 4 is equal to minus t1 t2. Now from here we can eliminate the t1 t2. Okay, suppose this is t1 plus t2 is equal to what? K by a. Okay, on squaring both side, on squaring both side, t1 square plus t2 square plus 2t1 t2 is equal to k square by a square. t1 square plus t2 square is what? 2h by a. 2h by a plus 2 t1 t2. T1 t2 is what? Minus 4. Minus 4. Then 2 into minus 4 is equal to k square by a square. Then 2h by a minus k square by a square is equal to 8. Now h will be what? X. 2x by a minus y square by a square is equal to 8. This is our required locus of the uh, midpoint of chord of the parabola, which is subtending of angle 90 degree at the vertex. You can also simplify this equation, that is 2x by a minus 8 is equal to y square by a square. Suppose we are taking LCM, a 2x minus 8a is equal to y square by a square. A cancel. Then I am writing here what will be y square is equal to 2a into x minus 4a. So this is our required locus of the midpoint of the parabola y square is equal to 4x, which is subtending angle of 90 degree at the vertex. So basically the concept is, for finding the locus we have to eliminate the third parameter t1 and t2. Okay, and so if you have any doubt, then you can ask in the comment section.